Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Amazon Smart Plug. Do a little unboxing review. This little smart plug. So it's compatible with Alexa. I just got an Amazon Echo and it's going crazy over there. It's hearing my voice. But I think they know that I'm recording a video. They stopped. But I'm going to try not to say the word too much because they get excited. So you can use this on fans, coffee makers, and lamps. I'm going to use it on my UFO sunset lamp just to make it easier for me to just turn it on and off. But I'm going to give it a little unboxing here. So I love how Amazon products always come packaged like this and nice bright colors, and it all looks cool. So this is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. Wow, it's a big beefy block. So I think it actually has the Alexa built into it. So that's pretty cool. There's a button, the patented. Yeah, I set it off again. But it says it saves space. It might not. We'll see. But what I'm most excited for is the ability to just be able to turn things on and off without having to go over and turn it on myself. That is the dream for everyone. So the smart plug comes with a little instruction manual. That's French. Try that again. Smart plug comes with a little instruction manual. So just gonna briefly go through it. Canadian customers, yada yada yada. And it doesn't have any information. Just this smart plug. Oh, the English is on the first page. I just want to skip past it. So there's an on off button. There's an LED. Solid blue means the device on, blue blinking, set up, off. Plug device into it, get the Amazon app, type on the more. Alexa, turn on first plug. Cool. So I set off my Echo again. Gotta be a little bit more quiet. Yeah, you didn't find it because I didn't put it up yet. But it comes with a nice little instruction manual of 1 page long. I like short, sweet, to the point. And that's what we got in the box there. So there's the unboxing video. And the thing about Alexa is that you're able to do a lot of really easy things easier. So such as turning on the lights, turning on the TV, putting on Netflix, whatever. You got that ability from pretty much wherever you can show from, which I think is nice. So sometimes when I walk in the room, I just tell it to turn on the lights because I'm too lazy to go turn them on myself. And that works for its intended purpose. It's a nice little quick and easy way to get things done. But I'm gonna give this a try, and then I'll give another review talking a little bit more after my unboxing here. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.